in all your experience, have you ever asked yourself where the scientific question arises from?
I think for me, it arises from trying to understand how the world works. To know the way in which the environments and resources of the Earth have developed over time. I think it's very important. So it's the only Earth we have.
So does it arise more from the observations you do or for the ideas you have in your head?
The ideas are only valid if they come from the observations. So the first thing is to observe correctly. Only that way can you possibly get to the right ideas. I don't know of any way to jump to ideas because geology is very strange. Who could invent seafloor spreading? Out of what? There's no basis for judging processes in geology until you observe their results.
You said to observe right. What do you mean to observe right? Can you observe wrong? Correctly. So can you observe wrongly?
Oh yes, you can. You can misinterpret the nature of a contact. You can think it's a depositional contact when it's actually a fault.
So it's already part of the interpretation, though? Or it falls into observation?
Well, everything in that sense is interpretation. But you can misgauge the nature of a rock. You can think it's a sandstone when actually it's an igneous rock. Of course, everything other than just raw image is interpretation. But there are things that you can observe with pretty strong confidence. Other things you really must infer. It's a minuet